Some saunas make you sweat in less than 10 minutes, while other saunas barely make you sweat at all, even after an hour. I've tested everything from portable saunas to luxury infrared saunas, and honestly, the sweat experience, it changes a lot more than people realize. So today, I've lined up the best saunas for you to get detox in the courtesy of your own home.
People have been looking for the best sauna to detox their body. But that's not really how it works, is it?
Sauna is not creating a detox phenomenon inside the body. It's supporting an existing detox mechanism that exists. This is not a creation tool. It doesn't create some elusive process that didn't exist prior inside the body. It is supporting a giant filtration system, which is what the body is. You have organs, you have lymphatics, you have blood, you have lymphatic fluid. It all dumps through and circulates like a filter. It's helping, it's assisting, but the process is already there. Well, what you guys need to understand first is what's even happening in your body when you detox, right? You get wrapped up in wavelength this, emissivity that, micron ranges, full spectrum. Oh no, now you got red light therapy. Oh wait, there's a cold plunge. Oh wait, there's a vibrational therapy. You got all this stuff. But what's really happening inside? I'll give you a quick little overview. You'll have to watch the other videos on the channel that go deep into detox to understand the circulating system. But basically, if you have lymphatics that dump things from the tissues into the lymphatic fluid, which then dumps into the blood, which then leads to the organs for processing and then leads to excretion. This idea of detox, do you even understand how the skin is the largest detox organ in the body and how many people are not sweating out certain compounds, but the sauna is still assisting in you getting rid of them. But the sauna is helping you excrete small particle compounds through the skin. And I don't want to get too deep in the weeds here. If you want the details of this, exactly how this process happens, we have dedicated videos on the channel. So while this is an important point to mention, today let's focus on the saunas that really assist in this process happening. I'm imagining that you're expecting me to toss out a brand to you. Would I be right? But before we even talk about brands, let's talk about what actually moves the needle, because it's not the brand. So there's two main things that you need to have in mind when you're looking at any sauna, any brand. Brand is agnostic here. It doesn't really matter. The number one thing on the list is the heater layout. You can have a great, beautiful looking sauna, but if the heater layout is misproportioned, you're gonna have cold zones. If you have cold zones, it's gonna affect the preheat, it's gonna affect your time to sweat, and ultimately, it's gonna affect how well you detox from this thing. The second point is consistency. And this is where people really mess up. Because if you look at the studies that support heat therapy, what's the one common denominator? Adherence to a regular schedule. And if you can't do that, you're not going to get the health benefits. And what's stopping you from being able to do that? A sauna that will actually perform for you, that you'll stick to a schedule with. So this looks like someone who should have bought a 1-person, but bought a 3-person, and vice versa. Someone who bought a 1 or a 2-person, who really needed a 4-person or more. Now that we got those things out of the way, let's get into what you actually came here for. These are the top 4 saunas that are really gonna detox you and give you the best sweat possible. Number 4 on the list has got to be the DIY sauna. For $350, it's the number one thing that's changed so many people's lives. Doesn't matter if they're short on time, budget, install capability. It really does pack a punch for what you get. It's not perfect for everybody, but it really does work. It's affordable, and it'll let you try before you buy something luxurious or put any high dollar thing on a credit card. This is something that I personally built. I've tested it. I actually developed it during 2020, we'll say, when I was in an Airbnb and couldn't sauna, but I was feeling the effects of not using sauna regularly. So I started ordering components online, and voila, we had something that you could use for a few $100. You could have the parts shipped anywhere. Many people have used it successfully over the years, and it's still strong today. Moving on to number 3, it has to be Heavenly Heat. And pretty much any model, because they share the underhood performance across the entire brand. Me personally, I like the hard-hitting Eco. If you're looking for tried and true detox, plug and play, any outlet, pretty much fit it anywhere because it's short. It's technically a mini sauna, but it does have a full glass door in the front, so it's easier to get in and out of than those other little mini saunas where the door is, you have to like turn sideways and kind of like squeeze in there. So works really well. Kind of the fastest preheat in the industry that we've seen compared to, you know, a lot of other stuff. Built like an absolute tank. Super clean materials, don't have to worry about anything. And honestly, the sweat sessions that I've gotten in that thing rival pretty much anything else I've used on the market, just in a small package that you can put anywhere very easily. Moving right along to the number 2 spot. This is a new contender, but man, it's really changing the game on what you can get as far as aesthetics, heat performance, just overall package for the dollar. This has got to be the Rocky Mountain sauna. With the instant on front heater, it's changing the game on heat up times. They also are a little bit more spacious than some of the mini saunas, and for this price point, I haven't seen anything better that looks this good. I'm still actively testing it out, but with the sessions I have gotten in, man, this thing packs a serious punch. From the build quality to the heat performance, what you get for the price, it's gotta be in the number 2 spot right now. And the number 1 sauna to get you real detox, the best that you can get, has got to be the Radiant Health Pause. For many years, the Radiant Health heater layout has been industry gold standard. I mean, floor heaters, calf heaters, sidewall leg heaters, torso heaters, back heaters, and concealed heater in the bench. I mean, it's in the background right now. Just look at those heaters. I know it's further back than the other models and I'm sitting far away from it, but if you watch any of the other videos on the channel, you're gonna really notice the difference. This has been one of my favorite tools to detox over the years, and I used this after leukemia treatment when I was struggling with drug residuals, having a hard time getting my health back online, and just getting back to normal everyday life. Super clean, low EMF, low VOC, all the stuff that we want. And new for this year, insulated roof, the ability to accessorize, add red light therapy. It's got a smartphone controller, and it has zone control on the heaters, so you can truly tailor the heat output to your liking. If you choose any one of these 4 saunas, you will get good detox. I just need to reiterate what I said in the beginning of this video, because this is crucially important. You can choose a different brand that's not on this list. You could choose one of these. You could choose something that I don't like or something that I've never heard of. But the most important thing gotta be the heater layout, because without that, you're not assisting the body in what it naturally needs. For those of you who asked about detox binders to pair with your detox sauna sessions, you can find a small list on my Amazon profile, or there's dedicated videos on the channel. See you guys in the next one. Is it a cheat meal day? After watching thousands of people make this decision, the sauna you choose, is that how you want me to say it?
No, fuck no, dude.
I'm sorry, did I not use the right tonality? At this point, I'm probably, I'm ready. So after watching thousands of people make this decision, do you want a sweat or not? Use these.